Have you ever thought that a naturopathic remedy can help you improve your hormonal imbalance? आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी that एक naturopathic remedy से कैसे आप अपने hormonal imbalance को करेक्ट कर सकते हैं और अगर आप कंसीव करना चाहते हैं तो it will prove a blessing for you. So देखते रहिए हमारा ये वीडियो और सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे YouTube चैनल. हेलो एवरीवन, मैं शैली, सीनियर फर्टिलिटी कोच एट फर्टिलिटी दोस्त. आज बात करने वाली हूँ हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस और उससे रिलेटेड एक बहुत ही नेचुरोपैथिक रेमेडी के बारे में. Two words that haunt most of the women. One is hormonal imbalance and the other is infertility. Hormonal imbalance, if not taken care of, can become the root cause of infertility. Now, how does seed cycling work? And especially with our estrogen and progesterone levels. The seed cycling mainly works on balancing the two main hormones in our body. One is the estrogen and the other one progesterone. Now we need to understand their importance. During the first half of the cycle, the estrogen level is high and that is called the follicular phase. And in the second half of the cycle, the progesterone level is high, which is called the luteal phase. So any imbalance between these two hormones can lead to multiple issues like delayed menstrual cycle or painful periods, acne and PCOD. So now what is seed cycle? Seed cycle is basically the rotational use of certain seeds during our menstrual cycle. Also, seed cycle is a very big example of the power of our food choices. कि हम कैसा खाना खाते हैं उस पे हमारी मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल कितना डिपेंड करती है. ऐसी कितनी खाने की और चीजें हो सकती हैं या है जो कि हमारी मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल को इफेक्ट करती है. सो दिस सीड साइकिल बेसिकली हेल्प्स टू क्रिएट अ बैलेंस बिटवीन दीज टू हॉर्मोन्स एंड इट्स प्योरली natural. There's no side effect. It can be practiced at any age, at any stage, be it the post-menstrual cycle, be it the post-menopause phase, post-birth control, or when you are trying to conceive. ये तो हुई seed cycle की help with your menstrual cycle. Now, how can seed cycle be helpful when you are trying to conceive? When you are trying to conceive, those two hormones, same estrogen and progesterone, they play a very important role. So when their disbalance is gone, आप imagine कर सकते हैं कि कैसे आपके conceive करने के chances और बढ़ जाते हैं. Even if you are going for any assisted process, even then you can follow the seed cycling and it will help you. It will gradually and naturally increase your chances to conceive. Production of healthy eggs with these seeds. Protein, zinc, fibers and omega-3 fatty acids. These are present in flax seeds as well as pumpkin seeds. When these are taken, then they not only help in increasing the quality of the egg, but they also help in increasing the number of follicles during the first half of your menstrual cycle. If you are facing any delay in conception, then the reason could be your hormones. These hormones not only cause a problem in conception, but they affect your hair, your skin, your digestion and whatnot. and every female is scared of this hormonal imbalance. So what is the solution? Seed cycling can prove a blessing in disguise for all your hormonal imbalances, and also if you are trying to conceive. So I'm going to tell you more about seed cycling. कैसे ये सीड साइक्लिंग एक जो नेचुरोपैथिक रेमेडी है बहुत ही लाभदायक हो सकती है अगर आप कंसीव करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. But before we talk about the solution of this hormonal imbalance, we should know what causes this hormonal imbalance. Females, they produce a lot of hormones for the natural cycle to work. But due to some underlying conditions, some health issues, there can be an imbalance in these hormones. Underlying issues such as hypothyroidism and PCOS can cause a lot of serious hormonal issues. Factors such as overweight or underweight can also be the reason of these hormonal issues. And these hormones cannot just even become a problem when you are trying to conceive, but they can also deter a healthy pregnancy. So you need to understand that this is such a major issue. This condition may also worsen during the menopause, where the levels of estrogen and progesterone are already decreased, and this may give rise to issues like heart attack or osteoporosis and many more things. Iron, zinc, omega-6 and the vitamin E. They are present in the sesame seeds and the sunflower seeds, which helps to release the egg, which usually takes place between the 14th and the 18th day of your menstrual cycle. चाहे आप अपनी प्रेगनेंसी नेचुरली प्लान कर रहे हैं या फिर IVF के थ्रू कर रहे हैं या फिर IUI के थ्रू, बहुत ही ज़रूरी है कि एक प्रॉपर एक थिक एंडोमेट्रियम लाइनिंग फॉर्म हो. और अगर आप ये सेकेंड फेज वाले सीड साइक्लिंग को प्रॉपरली फॉलो करते हैं तो आपकी एक गुड एंडोमेट्रियम लाइनिंग, जो कि बहुत ज़रूरी है फॉर द इम्प्लांटेशन of the egg, is formed. Controlling the level of progesterone. Progesterone जो कि एक मेल हार्मोन है, उसको एक फीमेल बॉडी में कंट्रोल करना is very important. If the level of this progesterone is high, then it can lead to a failed conception. So seed cycling helps in balancing this progesterone with the estrogen and leading to a successful conception. So अब ये क्वेश्चन आता है, क्या हम सब लोग इस सीड साइकिल को अपनी डेली लाइफ में, अपनी डेली डाइट में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हैं? There is a possibility that some people may be allergic to certain kind of combinations. So जब भी आप सीड साइकिल को स्टार्ट करना चाहें, इट इज एडवाइज्ड दैट यू मस्ट सी अ क्लिनिकल न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट बिफोर इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग इट इन योर लाइफस्टाइल, इन योर डेली डाइट. An improved balance between your hormones and your body can solve a lot of issues like premenstrual phase, PCOS, infertility and even endometriosis. ऐसी और बहुत सारी टिप्स और रेमेडीज के लिए आप हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, हमारा Instagram और Facebook को फॉलो करिए, वहाँ हमें लाइक करिए, और कोई भी ज़रूरत हो, इफ़ यू नीड एनी काइंड ऑफ एडवाइस, वी आर देयर टू हेल्प. आप हमें एक मैसेज लिख सकते हैं एंड वी विल रिप्लाई यू बैक as soon as possible.